Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Simon Commission. It was constituted in November 1927 and came to India in February 1928. It is also known as Indian Statutory Commission and headed by Sir John Simon. It was created to study the implementation of Government of India Act 1919 and recommend the changes to be incorporated. It had one chairman and six other members, all of whom are white men, and it had no Indians. This led to anti-Simon movement in 1928. There was a session held at Madras in 1927 December in which M.A. Ansari was the president. The whole discussion in this session was on Simon and they decided and passed Simon boycott resolution. Now let us see the leaders associated with this protest. In Lahore, railway station was blocked and it is led by Lala Lajpat Rai and some other Congress leaders. In this protest, Lala Lajpat Rai was badly beaten and later it led to his death. This lathi charge was led by Saunders. The last words of Lala Lajpat Rai were, "Every blow on my body would become a nail to the British coffin." Next, in Lucknow, the movement was led by Jawaharlal Nehru, who was also badly beaten and hospitalized. In Madras, it was led by Tanguturi Prakasham and he was given the title Andhra Kesari. Amidst this agitation, Simon successfully prepared and submitted his report. So many regional political parties supported Simon. They are Justice Party of Madras, which is pro-British and anti-Congress, a group of Muslim League, and Punjab Unionist Party. B.R. Ambedkar also supported Simon. The reason for his support is separate electorates to the Dalits, which was accepted and incorporated by Simon. So finally, for consensus among the political parties, British government announced a roundtable conference and invited all the political parties to London. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. The people of India agitated against the arrival of Simon Commission because A. Indians never wanted the review of working of Act of 1919. B. Simon Commission recommended the abolition of diarchy in provinces. C. There was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. And D. The Simon Commission suggested the partition of country. As we discussed earlier, the answer is C. There was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. Thank you.